Ako yung magiging palaging makulit na tao para sa'yo. Ikaw yung pipiliin ko araw-araw. I love you.
Han, this is it. Ito na yung pinapangarap natin, ito na yung pinlano natin, pinaghirapan natin. Matutupad na, matatapos na yung isang balakid na first challenge natin as a couple. Ma-survive lang natin to, okay na ako. And pwede na tayo mag-move on sa next challenge na harapin natin na alam kong kakayanin talaga natin. See you later, Han. I love you.
You are here on this altar to thank Almighty God who blessed you with the gift of life, who blessed you throughout your life journey, and who blessed you to come together to celebrate the sacrament of matrimony. He's blessing you now, and the heavens are open to bless you and your family.
Laloy, Han, ito na yung pinakaintay nating araw. Gusto ko magpasalamat sa'yo. Salamat sa lahat ng pag-intindi mo sa akin mula sa paghahanda ng breakfast, sa pagtatanong kung anong merienda ang gusto ko, sa paghatid sundo mo sa akin sa trabaho. Sana hindi ka magbago. Sa dami ng pinagdaanan natin, sana hindi ka sumuko. Sana kung gaano ka maalalahanin sa akin ngayon, ganun pa din hanggang pagtanda natin.
To the love of my life, you are my best friend, my confidant, and the love of my life. Today, I will stand before God and you, promising to be your sanctuary in your storm, your haven of peace and source of unwavering support. I vow to listen with an open heart and to share my dreams and fears with you fearlessly. By your side, come with me, I'll always choose you. 'Cause that's just what you do when you're in love. When you're in love, forever is just getting started, and you still haven't seen the best part yet. Who knows what's ahead, but we're hand in hand, that's enough. I promise to be your cheerleader, your partner in growth, and your anchor when life's waters get rough. With you, I've discovered the true essence of love, and I pledge to cherish and protect it with all that I am. I vow to love you unconditionally, to choose you every day, and to honor the sacred bond we share, for now and for always. Pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Yeah, that's just what you get when you're